Hey guys, Coach Nick here. I'm a USBC Silver Coach, and I'm here today to talk to you about building a proper 3-ball arsenal for league night. Should help you deal with lane transitions better and increase your overall average. Okay, so when we're building our 3-ball arsenal, the number one pretty much non-negotiable thing that I always have is a plastic spare ball. I use a mix. It doesn't have much of a core, very little core. T-zone is also a popular alternative. A lot of people use that. That has pretty much no core. Whatever plastic ball you want, you can find some online that are cool. You can do the classic clear with a rose in it, or whatever type you want. The second one I like to get is something with a solid cover. So I use like a phase 2. That's one of my go-tos. It's pretty much a lot of people's standard benchmark ball for a solid. And then I also like to have a pearl. My go-to pearl is the Storm Virtual Energy Blackout. That's what I've been throwing for quite a while and what I really like. So having those 3 types of balls will help you handle the lane transitions better. Typically I start with my solid, and once the lanes break down a little bit and I move left and I feel like I don't want to move left anymore and my angle's just a little bit too open, then I'll move to my pearl. That being said, I do like to have a solid that's got about the same RG and the same differential, relatively speaking, as the pearl. The phase 2 and the Virtual Energy Blackout are both pretty similar in core. The Virtual Energy Blackout is a little bit stronger, I think. It's got a little bit better back-end reaction versus the phase 2, but I can still play the same zone that I'm in. What I wouldn't do is throw my phase 2 and then switch to something like my Electrify, which is got a lot weaker core and a lot shinier cover. So if I did that, I would be playing a completely different zone once my phase 2 broke down, and I don't want to do that. I might have to move my feet from my phase 2. I'd probably move 4 or 5 boards right, and then I'd move my eyes at the arrows probably 2 or 3 boards right. And that would allow me to play a completely different zone that I wasn't playing, and I don't know how it's broken down. I would definitely recommend getting a solid ball and a pearl ball that are similar in RG and differential. It'll allow you to play the same spots and be a lot more familiar than switching to something completely different. Alright guys, hopefully you've learned how I build my 3-ball arsenal and how you can build something really similar to help you transition the lanes and get your scores up more in your league night. If you want a more in-depth analysis, I have everything posted on my website, nickthebowlingcoach.com. There will be a link in the description. And if you want any virtual lessons or in-person lessons, you can book with me. All the info's on the website. Thanks for watching.